in this video we're going to talk just a basic understanding so that when we start scanning other hosts that we're going to hack into, that you know what's going on. So I call it networks and connections. So here we've got, this is our computer, host A, and then the internet and some other guy that we're going to hack, okay, for our ethical security testing. Okay, and this is the internet, so we're going to go through the internet and get onto this guy's computer. So there's this notion of an IP address. You have an IP address if you're on the internet, and this other guy has an IP address. So it's kind of like, okay, so google.com, this is a URL, right? But if we go over to Kali, if we want to know what the IP address is for google.com, I just clicked into my Kali instance here and I clicked on terminal. We could just type ping google.com and it's going to tell us right here what their IP address is. I'm going to hit Control C, otherwise that's just going to go on forever. So ping is just like saying, hello, are you there? And google.com said, yes, I am here. This is my IP address. So whether we type in ping google.com or what's this, or ping and the IP address 217.4.110, it's exactly the same thing. It's just a different way of saying it because of something called DNS. DNS is just kind of like a phone book that says here's the IP address and here's the name associated with that IP address. For google.com, the IP address is this. And you can use that for anything. Ping nmap.org, and this is the IP address for nmap.org. So keep that in mind. I'm going to hit right control to get out of here and go back to my presentation. So here's the URL google.com, and it's got an associated IP address. And that's all I really wanted to show you for that. We're going to scan a couple networks now, and I'll show you how that goes.